If you're looking to streamline your client discovery calls, using Calendly or TidyCal can save you time and hassle. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up these tools, get your clients booked, and make your life easier. Stick around till the end, because I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial for one of these tools that you can follow along with. First, let's talk about setting up your account. Whether you're using Calendly or TidyCal, the process is pretty simple. After signing up, you'll want to link your calendar so the software knows your availability. This allows the tool to only offer times that work for you and automatically adjust for time zone differences, which is a game changer if you're working with clients across the globe. Once you're set up, you'll move on to creating your event. This is where the magic happens. For a client discovery call, you'll want to create a dedicated meeting type. Choose the duration. Typically, 15 to 30 minutes works best for these kinds of calls. And name it something clear like client discovery call so clients know exactly what they're booking. Now, the key part here is customizing your event settings. You can set buffers before and after your calls, so you have time between meetings to prepare or breathe. You can also adjust the minimum notice time, which prevents clients from booking a call at the last minute. Next, let's talk about making your scheduling page look professional. Both tools allow you to add a logo, change the color scheme, and customize the link. You can even add specific questions that you want clients to answer when they book the call. This is super helpful for gathering info upfront, like what their main challenge is or what they're looking for in your service. Once your event is set up, you can share your link in emails, on your website, or even in social media profiles. Your clients can easily pick a time that works for them, and you'll be notified as soon as they book. Now, you might be wondering, what if I need to cancel or reschedule? Both tools allow you to easily make changes, and they'll automatically send updates to the client. No more back and forth emails trying to find a new time. One key feature to highlight is the ability to integrate with other tools. For example, both Calendly and TidyCal integrate with Zoom, Google Meet, and other video conferencing tools, so your meeting link is automatically included in the calendar invite. This helps eliminate the need to manually add links to each meeting. And before I wrap up, I want to remind you about the exclusive free trial in the description. If you want to try the software I've been showing you today and follow along with this tutorial, you can get that free trial by using the link below, only available to viewers of my channel. So, what's the key takeaway here? By using Calendly or TidyCal for your client discovery calls, you're setting yourself up for more organized, efficient, and professional meetings. The setup is simple, you can customize your availability, and the integration with video conferencing tools makes it super easy. Plus, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Let's quickly recap. Set up your account and link your calendar, create your event with clear details, customize your settings to fit your schedule, and share the booking link with clients. And remember, grab that free trial to make it all happen without any cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.